Alright YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video, and today's video is going to be up kind of late. I'm recording right now and it is 8:28 p.m. so this is going to be a nighttime upload, but yeah, I did not want to miss a daily upload as I said I would do in the last video. So yeah, today I'm gonna be reacting to your logos. I made an announcement here doing a reacting to your logos video for tomorrow. Feel free to post yours in logos if you want yours reacted to. So right here, if you guys would like to join the server, link is going to be down below. Every single person is welcome, so feel free to join. And yeah, let's get right into it. Here we are. These are GFXs, so these are not logos. These are supposed to go in the render section right here. Fourth logo test using Photoshop. Got a bit lazy in the middle, inspired by another post above. I think the concept is cool, but your color choices are not great. In terms of the blue, it's very dark. It's not a pleasing shade of blue. As well as the red, it is super red. And also the paint, I think this should be brighter. And also remove this little bevel outline thingy. It's a good start, but just focus on text effects and choosing better colors. Alright, let's go up here. Logo commission, blocks quest. Yeah, this is a really nice logo. I don't know if it's just me, but I think something like this. I think this will look nice with I don't know, an outline. And I also think the logo is too long. If you put blocks on top of quests instead, I think it will look better. You would have to adjust the sword, but this is the concept he went for, so I guess it's fun. Alright, next we have this. Not really sure what it says or what it's supposed to say, but I can't really critique it. It looks pretty cool though. Okay, next, food legends. Alright, let's check this out. This right here is a really nice logo. The food text effect is really good. The legends text here is super clean. The how the texts are aligned. The little bread stack here. The little hat, French fries, carrots. This right here is a great logo. You should be proud of yourself. I will give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. You did a great job. Okay, let's move on. Practice text logo. I'm really interested in this field, so expect to see more work like this. Time 9 minutes. You should lower the opacity for the duplicate text in the background to 2% because you can't really see anything. But I'll make the 3D effects. I would extrude it more. Just move it down. It's a bit thin. It's not thick enough. Let's see these. Logo I made for practice. Thoughts, likes, and retweets appreciated. Pickaxe frenzy. A quick way to improve this is you can add a background outline. Choose better colors and do some better shading on the 3D areas. And yeah, okay, let's see this one, Tower Blast. Yeah, obviously the text is alright, but you have to work on the vectors. So this building looks like you just copy and pasted something and clipped it on, which is not a great idea, so I would fix that and actually put time into, you know, drawing your own. Okay, let's move on. Here is lots Edward repost because yes, Edward Studios Tower of Hell. Like this one is pretty cool. You should remove these lighting effects. It's not a good idea. So if you want to present your logos, remove all these effects and just do something simple like this right here. Right, this is not necessary at all. Yeah, okay, let's go up here. Extra sauce games. I like the color. I like this light gradient right here. I think the background shouldn't be, the background of the logo right here. I don't think it should be completely black. You can make it dark gray. Use some vectors too to make it more interesting. Flux simulators. This one's pretty cool. Red pin entertainment. Yeah, these are pretty nice. I like these. What does this say? No life dungeons, I'm assuming. I like this logo a lot. This is great. I like this. The play button up here. You sort of go into it. There's a nice glow to it. The text is shiny. Finally, you gotta repost some logos. This is pretty cool. Business Mania. It's not bad. Justify Studios. Splish. It's pretty cool. Ski Valley. Check this one out. Trinity Studios. It's a cool logo. Like the clouds here. Marshy's Factory. Cool vectors. The pipe thingies. It's pretty symmetrical. If you take a look at this logo, he has the gears here and over here. It just makes a it's just good composition. So Bobo Cafe, EGM, Bomb Tycoon. This is Legacy, LGCY, One Punch Online. This logo is pretty cool. Yeah, it's just a bit too saturated. It's kind of bright. Blue Crystal Studio. It's not bad. Let's see. This one's cool. I like this. I just don't like how juice is offset to the left. If you just moved it directly below the overtext, I think that would be better as opposed to offsetting it. Ritzy Studio. I made this after I downloaded Photoshop. Also, one thing I'm really happy about is seeing a lot of people that are getting into logo design and just designing in general. I think it's pretty cool to see, and it's also one of the main purposes for us having our Discord and channel, to begin with. We want to encourage and inspire people to get into design. Oli's logo. This is a fantastic logo. If you guys need any inspiration or somebody to look up to, look no further. His logos are very pleasing to the eye. The effects are nice. The colors he chooses. So if you guys need inspiration, let's take a look at his work. He has his Twitter here. Oli's Roblox right here. Yeah, so that's going to do it for this video. I would like to make longer videos, but like I said, it is now 8:40 p.m. I want to get this video out before people are asleep. So yeah, in the future I'm probably going to make longer videos, 20 minutes, 15 or above. If you guys would like to see those, you can leave a like and also just leave a comment down below. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Also, check out our store. Peace.